Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Philips Hue Slim Downlight, the Philips Hue Smart Slim 5/6" LED Downlight. If you're looking for an innovative lighting solution for your home, this smart downlight will completely transform the ambiance of your spaces, making it a must-have for any smart home enthusiast. This 6-pack of Philips Hue Smart Slim Downlights offers a unique combination of color-changing capabilities and sleek design. The slim, canless 5/6" profile allows you to easily install these downlights in narrow hallways or rooms with low ceilings, giving you the flexibility to brighten up tight spaces effortlessly. Whether you're looking for warm to cool white light or millions of vibrant colors, these downlights deliver it all, straight out of the box. The magic of the Philips Hue Smart Slim Downlight comes in the form of its adjustable brightness and customizable color range. With 1,200 lumens of power, it provides ample light to fill your room, while the dimming feature helps create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. From bright, energizing white light to deep, relaxing colors, you can set the mood in your home just the way you like it. One of the standout features is the seamless integration with your smart home setup. These lights are fully compatible with the Hue app, which gives you control over your lighting from anywhere. You can set routines, control the lights remotely, and even sync them with your music or movies for an immersive experience. Plus, with voice control, it's as easy as telling Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri to adjust your lighting. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its slim design that fits perfectly in ceilings without the need for traditional can housing. You can place them in any area, and they'll blend seamlessly with your space. And with the added benefit of the Hue Bridge, you unlock even more features, including the ability to control your lights even when you're away from home. These downlights are ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their home's lighting to something more intelligent, stylish, and adaptable to every moment. The Philips Hue Smart Slim Downlight truly stands out as the best option for those wanting versatility, ease of use, and endless lighting possibilities. That's all for today's review of the Philips Hue Smart Slim 5/6" LED Downlight. Be sure to check out the link in the description to grab your own set, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more amazing product reviews. Thanks for watching.